It's in fact more breaking news this morning that we continue to track over here. The fact that Haryana heavyweight has jumped ship. Let's tell you, this is Ghar Wapasi of Birendra Singh. The ex-union minister has quit BJP, Birendra Singh, to rejoin the Congress today. And after son, the father also joins Congress. Amandeep, coming back to you, Ghar Wapsi, if that's what we can call it. But in terms of this, really, what prompted this decision?
Well, absolutely. Just because his son, Brijender Singh, has recently joined Congress party, and in fact, he is the front runner from the Hisar Lok Sabha seat from the Congress party, and that is the reason. And even Birendra Singh, who's a former union minister, he was not very much active politically on the ground, and he was just following the line of his son. He was trying to push his son into the politics to establish his political grounds. And that is the reason. Even yesterday, he made it very clear that he is going to quit BJP and going to join the Congress party after following the line of son, just because now the entire family is concentrating to build up the political career of Brijender Singh, who's likely to be the candidate from Hisar from Congress. But this list has not been released so far, and there is no such resentment or dissent voice from the side of Birendra Singh, just because he served during the Modi tenure, during the first tenure of Prime Minister Narendra Modi from 2014, and in fact till 2016 he remained in the union ministry as well. But all of a sudden he stepped down just because he is politically not active. He is not politically participating in any kind of event either from the BJP or from the Congress, just because his total concentration is to settle down the political career of his son. And that is the reason his move is changing the political party from BJP to Congress. But let's wait and watch. If the Congress is not giving the ticket to his son, what the family will do further. So this is the biggest question arise here.
Right.
Yes.
Absolutely, Amandeep. Thank you very much for drawing perspective on both those important political developments ahead of the polls. Of course, we'll keep coming back to you. But since we're talking about Birendra Singh and the fact that he has quit the BJP, let's also listen into this conversation that he did have with my colleague Niyamika earlier.
सर, क्या वजह रही? पहले लगातार ही खबरें चल रही थी, अब साफ हो गया कि कल आप कांग्रेस पार्टी ज्वाइन करने वाले, लेकिन इतना बड़ा कदम उठाने के पीछे क्या वजह रही है सर?
वजह तो एक तो नहीं होती, अनेक वजह होती हैं, लेकिन मेरी अपनी वजह सबसे बड़ी यही थी कि मैं 42 साल कांग्रेस में रहा और कांग्रेस की विचारधारा मैं ये कहूं कि मेरे जीवन का एक हिस्सा बन गई थी। किन्हीं वजह से कांग्रेस को छोड़ना पड़ा, और जब मैं भारतीय जनता पार्टी में आया तो मेरा अपना ये मानना था कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी की भी अपनी विचारधारा है, लेकिन मैं ये भी सोचता था विचारधाराओं में कोई ज्यादा बड़ा अंतर नहीं हो सकता, छोटा मोटा अंतर होगा। लेकिन मैंने ये महसूस किया कि बहुत बड़ा जो सोच है, आइडियोलॉजिकल सोच, उसमें अंतर है, और उस अंतर को मैं डाइजेस्ट नहीं कर सका। मैं फिर भी कांग्रेस विचारधारा के प्रतिपक्ष में होते हुए भी मैं उस विचारधारा से कहीं ना कहीं सहमत रहा हूं। और दूसरा कारण ये भी था कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी में मेरा बेटा पार्टी जब छोड़ी है उसने, तब वो भारतीय जनता पार्टी का एमपी था, टिकट विकेट का कोई उस वक्त जिक्र नहीं था। और दूसरी बात ये भी है कि विचारधारा के रूप में भी कहीं ना कहीं वो मेरे विचारों से भी उसकी विचारों की सहमति थी। ये भी एक कारण था कि वो बहुत ही वॉज इन ए हरी टू मूव टू कांग्रेस फोल्ड।